This is the video review for the OtterBox for the OnePlus 2. OtterBox has been working with OnePlus well before the launch of the phone. And right now, the result is in front of us. It's a case that is precision made and has good build quality. It remains one of the first cases available for the OnePlus 2. The big news being the availability in India. OtterBox has started shipping these from the OtterBox Asia website to India. The inner layer is made of silicon and the outer one is a hard plastic shell. OtterBox claims that this design will protect against bumps and shocks. The company is known for making protective covers and cases. This one for the OnePlus 2 is very similar to the OtterBox Commuter series. Priced at $25 with free shipping, these remain one of the most affordable series in the OtterBox collection. Putting the case is really simple. First, take your OnePlus 2, separate both of the layers and slide it into the silicon layer top side first. Then flip over the bottom and press down on the sides until the phone is snugly fit inside. Then we can flip the phone over. Now we can attach the plastic shell by just placing it on the silicon layer. We just need to press down until it snaps in place. That's it. The cover is now on your phone. Check all sides to see if the phone is fitted properly inside. Next, let's move on to the build quality of the case. The phone snugly fits inside and the buttons and the edges are clearly protected. It feels good in the hand. The notification toggle also works well. Coming to the back, the camera module is protected and this slope in the design here prevents the lasers from getting blocked while focusing. That's the camera module and that's the flash. All work flawlessly. Coming to the buttons, they are covered entirely and they feel good on touch. While pressing them, they offer tactile feedback and the phone responds immediately. Even the volume buttons are covered and this raised rubber feels really good. In some ways, they feel better than the original ones. The lip around the case is raised. This gives good protection when the phone is kept face down. It's an important aspect to look for in a case, and the OtterBox has it. Coming to the bottom, cutouts are precise for the USB-C and the speakers. When using the original OnePlus charging cable, we had no issues as it fits snugly. The side profile notification toggle has a good cutout as well. Coming to the 3.5mm audio jack, it has a really big cutout which helps in terms plugging in your earphones. When we tried it out, it worked flawlessly. That said, it shouldn't be an issue for most people. Using the fingerprint sensor on the phone, because the lips are raised on the case, finger brushes against it while unlocking the phone. It's not a big concern though. Concluding this review and summarizing everything that we've reviewed so far, we can say that this is a very well built case. For the money you pay, you get a quality product from OtterBox. They haven't skimped in protection and we feel that this is a must buy. If you don't need such level of protection, there are much less bulkier and slimmer options available, including the OnePlus official cases. Thanks for watching.